my stupid phone powered off. Part 2. Come on, put that on. Yeah, this bin is so dirty that I might have to replace it. I mean, this machine is old. This is like the second oldest they have. And there's a Miele. Yeah, the Brushless motor is fine. It's just the way it sounds on the rug for some reason. Yeah, I fixed that. Huh, coolant works. This one doesn't. Never mind. I just sat here. Sticks down. See how much cord we got left. Oh, we got plenty left. Then I guess we'll do the closet for this one. This cord wrap pivots for some reason. I don't know why Shark designed it like that. Okay, so we're gonna be using the NV26 next. So let's wrap this cord up quickly. I think this is the longest cord. You can see that's similar to the NV501's inlet chamber, but this thing has a weird bin design, and I'll show you why in a second. So just wrapping up this cord like very quickly. Yeah, you can kind of hear them talking, but that's fine. Last year, I also used my original E2 Gold that I had, well, my first rainbow, which was my 04 series. So, yeah, as you can see, it's got the filters, except, this is kind of weird. So you can actually remove this to clean it. You can actually remove the trap filter to clean it. But, okay, that seal's kind of broken, so let me fix that. How are you getting suction? Well, here, let me put this back in real quick. You're getting suction through these little holes right here, not this. Which is the weird thing. That's just the weird thing about this one. Okay, anyways. Moving on to a classic. Like one of the first series navigators. The Red Shark Navigator NV26 being used for the final room that we used to be in for church. So when I was a kid, this was the room that we had to be in. Let me pause this. I want to see if there's an outlet system in here. Oh gosh. Dude, look at this. Look at that. That's like faded. There are so many faded things in here. I remember when that used to work. Huh, somehow that still works. Oh, I know. It's barely holding on. And that right there was my favorite toy. And, oh my gosh, look at this. I donated this. Yeah, crazy. So yeah, this thing is not supposed to be leaning forward like this. It's supposed to be like this, but the swivel spine was broken, so yeah. Rest in peace, swivel spine. And this was my favorite mat. This was my favorite mat. What? Control room. But yeah, that was my favorite mat. Okay. Okay, we're plugged in now, and we can get to work with this. Oh man, the suction relief doesn't actually work. Anyways. It's blocked up, but there is a way to get the suction relief units to work. Like I did with my navigator. I think I donated that too. Okay, never try what I might do. No, I'm just kidding. This thing is old. I mean, never try to take the bin off these when they're running. They are loud without their bins. It still swivels, it just swivels like on These were also my favorite, the wooden railway tracks. And the wooden cars. Dude, I used to have so much fun with those. This just brings back so much childhood memories. Test this out on this table. Never do this. So yeah, the Bristol shut-off system does work. Speed 1. Gotta put this back in. Thanks, Dan. Thanks, Dan, for telling me that I'm doing a good job. Grandma? Dude, I just heard my grandma talking to me. She told me I love you, DJ. I love you too, Grandma. I love you too, Grandma Rose. Just put that back in place. Yeah, we'll put that in there. All right. So, for anyone who does not really know about the NV26 or any of the other model, or any of the other navigators similar to this, or like the same, I'm going to show you the inside of the bin and the bin similarities and stuff. Yeah. Please keep this door closed. I will close this for you guys. So we're gonna look at the bins real quick. How they're the same, how they're different. And maybe if I have enough time, then we can do some of the sanctuary. So these filters, they mostly don't change. Yeah, these are round. Mostly. Almost the same size. It's like all these filters, they're literally the same, except for one. So these bins, way different. Navigator NV26 bin, NV400 bin, and then the NV501 bin. So here's all of them. We're gonna open their tops. This one does not like to stand up, so it has that. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, you have to clean these out every 3 months. So so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 filters in total. They all have 4 filters in total because the screen protector. But anyways, let's look at filter differences. So these are pure round, and you may be surprised, this one comes with 2 foam filters, and this is in a holder that I am going to use my Shark with. So here is the motor. That's what it looks like. Yeah, mostly the same. And then instead of this being a HEPA, this is a post-motor filter. And then there's the suction relief system. That's easy to fix. All you just have to do is go in there with a screwdriver and get some of it. So those are those filters. And then these are screw-out filters. Suction relief system. Well, at least the HEPA one is. There's the HEPA. inside. Here's the motor. Yeah, so that was like way before. And then here's the rotator filters. Yeah, I gotta clean that soon. So yeah, these are the filters. So yeah, that one comes with 2 foam filters. Because I don't know why. Shark just did that. And when they had that out. So we still need to clean out the closet. But yeah, these are new filters in the NV400. That's what I mentioned. We put this back. Then I'm gonna plug this one in real quick so I can clean these filters. Just the foam and felt. I gotta rinse that one. But yeah, I feel like donating my second E-Series to the church, but it just needs parts, and I don't want to lose it, but man, I might keep it, I might not, I don't know. Yeah, I might keep it, I might not. Okay, now those filters are clean. Much cleaner. They're re-vacuumed, not as much dust. You can definitely see them now. And yeah, that inside the bin needs to kind of sort of be sorted out. So I'm gonna put these things back in. And maybe Shark, I can just call them and tell them, hey, you guys got a spare top piece for that? For the NV26, they're probably going to say no, but it's old. It's old. So, most definitely no. Guaranteed no. Anyways, one more room to clean. Well, I kind of feel like skipping it. But man. Should I? Yeah, I should. Just for the sake of it. Yeah, they had to tape that. See how it'll run in here. Definitely runs much better. Just cleaning it up like really quick in here. Sorry, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, I'm going to ask the church if I can have this one, cause then they could just have the one NV95 up here. Like literally, this thing is too old. It's suffering here. Ah man, I'm not even kidding when I say it's suffering here, because it's just look at it. It's got a broken swivel spine, and I know how to take care of it. It's just suffering, man. It actually just is. Okay, and I would clean this thing up good. And then, of course, there's a turbo brush for it. And I'd be taking that. Okay. So, I gotta put these back downstairs. This is the part I don't like doing. This kind of scares me. But hey, YouTube, you get to witness me doing it. Yeah, so 2 vacuums were featured on the channel. To all my fans, 2 vacuums were featured. So yeah, cool. Okay. This is the part where I rush doing this. Go, 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 go. Okay, get door prop. Ha! I made it. Okay. Ah, man. My brain is getting to me. It's telling me, use this one. Like, they could literally put this one upstairs, too. Like, they have 2 of these. Okay, guys, we're gonna use this one real quick. So 3 new vacuums were featured. And the Miele too. Dude, if there was no meeting going on, then I would use the Miele. But that thing has a lot of brush roll, so yeah. And this thing is gonna kind of smell. Anyways, yeah. Okay. Why is the dusting brush always like that? I'll give this thing 5 unwraps, just for the sake of it. And yes, this door is closed, so they won't really hear much. that one. Yeah, they should just, like, get, this one upstairs, because they already have 2 of the same ones downstairs, so it would not hurt a bit just to get rid of that one and give that one to me, so I can have it in my collection and be in a better place, and yeah, all that. That NV26, yeah, it needs to be replaced by one of these ones. Ooh, basement. Usually gets creepy down there, so I don't want to go down there. Oh man, yeah, it gets creepy down there in the basement. Yeah, I'm not going in there, that's for sure. Ooh, that's open. I don't know if I'm allowed in there, though. I mean, my mom thinks I'm gonna get in trouble because the cleaning lady's sick, and she probably won't allow me to use these machines. I mean, they allowed me, but with me wanting that NV26, I just don't think that's happening. I think they're gonna get rid of my privilege to use these ones. But hey, that's fine. They're just vacuums, so can't be mad. I mean, if they think I'm gonna ruin them, then that's not cool. Because my vacuums are in good condition. They just sometimes they think I did the so like when that bin was missing for that let's see, I believe it's Power Force Compact. Like when the bin was missing, they blamed that on me. Like they were like, "Hey, the bin's do not use. Don't touch her stuff." Like, dude, I literally cleaned the bin for this. Like, are they really gonna just start blaming stuff on me? Like, honestly, if I cleaned it again, I will write a note saying, please do not lose the bin. I am sick of it going missing. Because the cleaning lady wants to blame that stuff on me, then she can. She can. When I literally just want to clean that. Like, that was missing for a while now. So I don't know where it keeps going to. That's just what I'm confused about. Is where that thing keeps going to. Where it keeps heading off to. Like, it can't be going to La La Land. Like, it literally can't be going to La La Land. Just saying, man. Just saying. Like, that thing cannot be going to La La Land. Like, bro, every time I clean it, does the cleaning lady just take it? I'm wondering. Maybe she takes it and then wants to blame stuff on me, making me seem like a bad guy. I mean, last year I saw her when I had my Serena here. She gave me a smile, and I was like, yo, this is my machine, so yeah. And I'm pretty sure y'all know what the Serena is, but anyways, yeah. That is the completion of the original Sanctuary And our outro today is going to be NV400. See y'all later.